you better put some baby making love music in the background while you're zooming in and out pretty slow.
Here we are, all alone in this room. Oh, and girl, I know where to start and what we're gonna do. Yeah, I'll take my time. We'll be all night, girl. So get ready, babe. I got plans for me and you. Whoa.
Kenny's making people touch his chicken. Kitchen.
Okay.
Chicken.
Ready?
Are we walking there or?
No.
Okay. Oh, I forgot my card.
Oh my guys.
We're in downtown Montreal.
That doesn't take too long.
This is what it looks like.
불타오르네.
You don't know.
I'm just here to drink. Same.
Tell them what we're drinking.
Right here. Peach soju.
Tell them what it tastes like.
It tastes like water. Me. Holy shit.
StillNotDavid. I'm so excited. Welcome to Still. This is my song. Wait, I want to be in this.
Oh yeah.
Yo, we poppin'. Get it. Welcome to StillNotDavid. Do your introduction. Welcome to StillNotDavid vlog. Whoa! How do you see
How I look right now?
Yeah, you look like shit.
Thumbnail.
You can't tease me like that. I would go in.
Everybody say la 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 la. Say la 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 la. Switch it up, burn it up. 불타오르네.
You guys ready?
왜? 안녕하세요. boy.
이름이 뭐예요?
이름 뭐예요? 저 이름을 심상원입니다.
아,
심상원.
한국 이름은 뭐예요?
저는 권도희예요.
광동희.
광도희. I know a guy named 도희.
Like Taekwondo, of course.
도희. 뭐 해요?
I wish I knew more Korean.
I agree.
지금 뭐예요?
잠깐만. 볼펜.
볼펜.
It's paper in Korean.
Paper?
I've actually never
Oh,
learned.
I don't know. Paper? We need help translating. What's paper in Korean?
종이.
종이.
What about notebook?
종이도 몰라?
What about notebook?
You don't know pen.
Yo, we both didn't know.
야, 너 한국 사람이야? 이중 끊었어. 종이도 몰라?
What's a pencil in Korean?
볼펜.
No.
연필. 야. 볼펜.
Anyways, 지금 뭐?
Well, I have to write out cue cards for the performance going on. How's the fashion show? Did you vlog it?
No.
Bro!
How am I gonna vlog a fashion show?
Be like, hey, what's up, everyone? Alright. He is a great professional. This is a very nice camera, by the way. I like it.
안녕하세요. I'm gonna vlog in Korean from now on.
Yeah, go ahead.
한국말만? 그럼 다른 사람 해? 그럼 못해?
하나 둘 셋 넷 안녕하세요. 우리는 샤데. 고맙습니다. 케니 오빠 사랑해요. So how was it?
It was good. There was a lot of people. There was a lot more people in the hall.
Oh, that's awesome. Like, how was it to host it?
Huh?
How was it for you to host the fashion show?
They gave me cue cards, so it was good. We're at our meet and greet. Here. Kenny. What's up? Oh, it's the beginning?
Everybody say la 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 la. Say la 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 la. So we get up, so we chill up, burn it up. 불타오르네.
What's your name?
Ola.
What are you here for?
What am I here for? I'm here for the colors of Korea.
No, you're here for me.
Montreal, you ready tonight?
We at halftime. Tell them how the show was.
Yo, I learned a lot actually.
I realized that all the footage we use with sound is useless anyways, so we might as well just like look cute. You know.
This is a thumbnail right here. Wait, we gotta get the
thumbnail.
Is this recording?
Yeah. Yeah, it's recording. Crystal. Met Crystal. She's at this random restaurant in Montreal. I woke up late today, so everyone left already, and they're at the event. So now I'm like trying to find my way there. I don't think I'm going the right way. I'm in Montreal!
I need you right together. I have no idea.
Backstage with the MCs today. What's good? What's good?
And me.
Yeah, 601 and her, my PA.
Yeah.
This is Shimmy's PA. And this is behind Dre, that's his PA.
How am I feeling right now?
Not too bad. I feel a little bit of tension here in your levator scapula here.
Your levator scapula, bro.
In English, please?
Is it true?
Here, you feel the tension here.
Oh, it's her birthday.
It's your turn. Thank you. Have a good drink.
What drink?
Oh,
Drink, I'm sorry.
Okay.
용서해줄게.
Alright, do it. Like, arch, yeah. In, out. This is awkward.